BJP to contest in Tirupati by polls. There has been a tough debate going on between Janasena and BJP after both the parties decided to contest together in all the upcoming polls in the Telugu states. Janasena wanted to contest in the Tirupati by polls, but BJP is keen to strengthen the party in Andhra Pradesh. After the National Party report good victories in Telangana, the final decision is now taken. Janasena Chief Pawan Kalyan had several meetings with the state BJP leaders, and he even met the crucial leaders in the national capital. The final decision has been taken recently, and BJP will contest in the Tirupati by polls. Janasena will support the party in the polls. Union Minister and BJP in charge for Andhra Pradesh, V. Muralidharan, informed the news. He said that the party's Central Election Committee, CEC, will finalize the candidate very soon. Janasena Chief Pawan Kalyan and BJP President Somu Viraju met recently and discussed about the Tirupati by polls. Ratna Prabha, the former Chief Secretary of Karnataka, is considered as the candidate for the Tirupati by polls. The finalized candidate's name will be announced only after the Election Commission announces the election schedule.